Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate affiliate marketing with ShareASale, detailed guide step by step clearly. To automate affiliate marketing with ShareASale, start by signing up for a ShareASale account. Visit the ShareASale website and click on the Affiliate Sign Up button. Fill out the application form with your personal and website details. Once approved, log into your ShareASale account. Navigate to the Merchants section to find programs that suit your niche. Apply to join relevant affiliate programs that align with your target audience. After approval, access your dashboard to locate your unique affiliate links. Next, choose an automation tool that integrates with ShareASale. Consider tools like Zapier, WordPress plugins, or email marketing software. Set up automated workflows based on your chosen tool. For example, use Zapier to create zaps that automatically share new blog posts with your affiliate links. In your WordPress settings, install an affiliate link management plugin. This plugin will help you cloak links and manage them efficiently. Create content that naturally incorporates your affiliate links. Utilize blog posts, emails, and social media to enhance visibility. Set up email automation to engage your audience with promotional content. Segment your email list to tailor messages for different groups. Design automated sequences to follow up with users who click your affiliate links. Monitor your analytics to track performance. Regularly review which affiliates perform best and adjust your strategy accordingly. Consider using retargeting ads to reach users who previously engaged with your links. Stay updated with ShareASale's promotional tools and resources. Join forums or communities to learn from other affiliates about automation strategies. Test different automation methods to determine what works best for your audience. As you implement these steps, remember to maintain compliance with advertising regulations. This systematic approach will help streamline your affiliate marketing efforts. Continuously optimize your automation processes for better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.